Welcome to Obin Vlogz Nature, episode 1. We have a wild turkey. Oh boy, is that a turkey. We want to keep our distance because we don't want to scare the turkey. Turkey is right through here. Once again, keeping our distance. This will be very educational. Turkeys are fat birds that have feathers. And that is probably considered littering. The turkey hiding behind a tree. Not much we can do with this, but right here. Alright. Well, where did it go? There in the distance. Alright, we're gonna get... Alright. We can barely see its feather, but... turkeys usually travel in large clumps. But this one seems to be alone and it's out of sight, which means that it must be a pretty good hider. Alright. We must always be careful in the presence of a turkey, because I don't want my eyes to get pecked out. Alright, the turkey stole an inside. Turkey, I wouldn't enter there. Turkey, no. We lost that beautiful beast. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will do more Obin Vlogz Nature, so thanks, bye.